Action.
Right, this is the team accounting YouTube channel. Then now we are dealing with cost accounting concepts in grade 11 and in grade 12. As for grade 11, they're going to be doing this in our term 3, then grade 12 term 2. Then here we're going to be doing, once you see the word cost, means it is the amount of money which the business have to indeed pay, which is we are all checking all the costs. Remember, in business studies, we called it, we have sectors of economy, another business what? Sectors. Three business sectors. We have what? We have primary sector, we have secondary sector, and then we have a tertiary sector. Then in primary sector, it is an extraction of raw material from nature. It is an extraction of raw material from nature. That's the primary sector. And then secondary sector, it is whereby we are manufacturing this particular primary goods, or in other words, this raw material which have been extracted from nature. We are manufacturing into a final product, or a utilized product, or consumable product. Then in our tertiary sector, it is whereby it's distribution, or another where customers get them a product. So in accounting, we are dealing with what? We are dealing with secondary sector, or the manufacturing department of that particular raw material from what? Or from nature. Understand? Then what you have to understand, what is being needed for us as a business to make this product be a product, another to utilize, another to turn this raw material into what? Into the usable product. We are indeed needing something there, which is number one, we need direct material cost. Direct material cost. So direct material cost, it is the raw material which is needed for us to produce the goods. Direct material cost, it is the raw material that is indeed needed for us to produce the goods. Then we have an indirect what? Manufacturing cost. Indirect manufacturing cost. So when we are talking about the indirect cost, we are talking about those particular costs which are not directly involved in making the final products, but gonna be indeed there on the factory, such as cleaning material. So cleaning material is part of what? Indirect material, because of what? They won't make the products, or not, they won't make the final products, but they are there to make sure that everything run accordingly. So that is what? Indirect material cost. Then we have what? We have number 2, direct labor cost. Direct labor cost. When we talk about direct labor cost, we are talking about the people who are directly involved in the production process.